I'm giving away 24 new tonal sound effects for completely free, and here's how it's gonna level up your sound design. The first folder is this tonal transition that sounds like this. It will build so much anticipation for your videos. And this tonal transition comes in all 12 keys, so you'll be able to match it up with any song. You could put it with someone looking directly at a camera. I mean, doesn't it sound like an introduction to a movie trailer? Or my personal favorite, build something up like crazy and then hit your audience with the tonal hit and title. Okay, now you could literally use it for whatever you want. They are so versatile. The second is this musical drone that sounds like this. So nice. Drones and textures are perfect for setting the scene, fading them in, and foundations for your videos. You can fade in vocals over your drone like this.
Oh, won't you stay with me?
Giving you so much more emotional control. Or you can have beautiful voiceovers under them like this.
But I say to you, don't worry so much. Because in the end, none of us have very long on this earth.
Okay now, or you can give some space between licensed songs. Let me introduce my licensed song in 3, 2... Hear how seamless that was? That is the power that I'm talking about. These sounds were actually made by the well-known band and duo Chapters. I actually got a chance to go out to their studio in Nashville, and holy moly, these guys are pros. You walk into their space and immediately feel it. Every instrument has a story, every pedal, every room, it all has a purpose. They care about their craft so much. Every note, every texture, every swell you hear in these sounds, it's extremely intentional. They've spent days shaping tones, experimenting with vintage gear, layering ambient sounds until it just felt right. And I can't help but think, in a world of AI and sound effects and AI everything, things can get a little overwhelming, but I think it's still important to maintain that human element, that human level of musicianship and sound design, because when something is made by hand with heart, I don't know, I feel like you can feel it, and these guys completely embody that. So how would I actually go about using some of these sounds? Let me just give you an example. So here we are in Final Cut Pro. You can literally use whatever video editing software that you want. This is my licensed song. I found it from a website called Audio, one of my favorite music licensing platforms. You can also use whatever music licensing platform you want. The only thing I don't like about this song, it has a cool vibe. Let me play it. Right? Cool guitar at the very beginning. It just kind of comes in a little bit hot. Like there's no like kind of drone or texture leading into this. Like it just starts off with the guitar strumming. And so we're gonna change that. Let's say that I don't want it to start exactly with the guitar strum. I want to have like this, I don't know, 20-second intro to lead into this. We're gonna use our free sound effects that I'm giving you today. First thing we're gonna do that's very important is we're gonna find the key to this song. There's 12 keys in music, and each song holds a specific key. So I'm gonna go to the app Auto Key. It's a free app that you can just download. It kind of just works like Shazam. You can just press it, play the song, and it will tell you the key. Boom. C major. So when I go to the free sounds that I downloaded, they should look like this. I have to use C major, right? I have to use this sound, and I have to use this sound, both piano boom and this texture in C. So I'm just gonna pull this guy in. Let's just hear what this transition sounds like. So pretty. I mean, it actually sounds like a part of the song. And kind of leaving it in for a little bit longer sounds good too. It's insane. That's how easy it is. That's literally how easy it is. And then next, we're gonna go to our ping boom, go to C, and we're gonna line the piano hit with the highest transient right when that guitar comes in. Right there. That should work. And let me just make this a distinction so you know that these are tonal sound effects and this is the licensed song. Let's listen to this. Bro. Oh my God, dude. That's too easy. That's like almost too easy. Oh, I just made a 22-second intro using the free sounds that I'm giving you today. Let's listen. That drone's coming in. Maybe you could put some type of voiceover. I'm kind of seeing a drone shot too. Just a nice setting the scene, setting the foundation. Then here comes the musical transition into the song. Bro. Come on now! Now, if you want these 24 free tonal sound effects, click the link in the description of this video. And if you're interested in the big collections with thousands of sounds in them, then go check out my website and the full film score collections. I'm running a huge discount right now. Guys, music matters in your videos. Let's build stories that people can feel. Peace.